Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about the reverse budget. Pay yourself last. Let's get into the video. The reverse budget, pay yourself last. Most budgeting methods emphasizes paying yourself first by setting aside savings at the start of the month. However, the reverse budget flips this concept. Pay all your essential bills, discretionary expenses, and debt obligations first. Then, at the end of the month, transfer any leftover money to savings. This approach works well for those who struggle with traditional saving methods and find it easier to save what is left rather than limit their initial spending. I have to say, even though the reverse budget is not a bad idea, I would 100% recommend always doing a regular budget where you pay yourself first. You want to pay yourself first on a regular budget. But as I'm saying, as I'm making this video, I'm indicating that there's also another method called budgeting method called the reverse budget. But I strongly recommend using the normal budget where you would set up your budget and pay yourself first. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.